quick drive. These are Dents. I think that's a brand. These are some fancy British driving gloves. People have been hounding me about using race gloves on the street, which I don't see the problem, but people always making fun of me for having race gloves. So now I got gentleman gloves. My AC actually works now. Thank Jesus, because it's freaking fire hot today. I'm glad that I didn't do too much to this car. I almost signaled with the wrong mistake, because you can do too much to a car where they're not fun to drive anymore. For example, my Porsche, my Cayman is absolutely terrible to drive on the streets. My Miata also. It's because they're just too low, too many aero parts to get caught on the road and get scratched or bent or broken. And, you know, they're loud as hell, though the Integra is pretty loud. But that I could still take to the canyons and rip. We got Tommy with an ASM S2000 right behind me. We're going to go to the Jada Toys event today with Brecky. And hopefully it'll be good, because I'm kind of looking forward to driving the little car. Because I haven't driven this thing in a while, actually. But it's always a blast driving this car, dude. It's like it's like a little toy. Yo, I gotta turn off my AC to do this pull. This car makes so little power, and it's only at 660 cc's that you have to turn off the AC to make extra 5 horse. Tommy can't keep up, because if I get pulled over, they're just gonna laugh at my car because it's a clown car. But he has a all fixed up S2000. Sucker!